Grand awakening, Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the music, the ebooks. Great products are there, and I can't wait to meet you. Your word of the day is freedom. Freedom of mind, freedom of space, freedom of the chains that have been broken from you. The way that you used to think, you no longer think that way. Do not go back to Egypt. Do not go back to your prison. Go back, go to your promised land, go to freedom, rush to freedom, because you've been locked down for such a long time. But shake off the shackles and live the life that you see. Shine, baby, shine, because your fire, your torch is leading the way for the rest of us. But only you know the way, and only you have the confidence to step up, step out, and move out of bondage. Be free. I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt, so I work to free myself from darkness. I cast off negative thoughts, and I find peace in my heart and discover the being of light within me. And guess what? When you discover that, we're all watching. We're discovering we're along with you, but you're one of the greatest teachers. Examples, because you have the confidence to do what the rest of us do not. But as you show the way, we're guaranteed to follow. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.